Nothing more erotic than a cold potato being stuffed in your
He did it after I said that.
Gotta leave your sex tape.
That's got 0. It's 8-0 still. You
Yeah.
guys sucked.